Hi friends, I'm Pawan. I am going to show you how to build your own muscle stimulator. What is muscle stimulator? Muscle stimulator is a project-based version of the electronics muscle stimulator. Muscle.
Hi friends, this is Shifani. Pawan told you about what exactly is an electronic muscle stimulator. Now I will tell you about the circuit diagram of this project. This is the circuit diagram of the project Electronic Muscle Stimulator. This is a block diagram explaining the circuit that I showed you just before. So now I'm going to tell you about the block diagram. It was connected into 4 parts. The first one was the oscillatory circuit. It consists of an IC, that is 7555 timer, which is connected in a stable mode of operation. It generates output pulses with frequency 75.16 Hz. This section provides the necessary voltage for intensity control circuit. Once the output obtained from pin C, it is sent through a buffer. Next comes the intensity control. It consists of a transistor along with the voltage divider resistor network. This section acts as an intensity control section as the variable resistor connected, that is the potentiometer or pot. We can vary the potentiometer and thus the intensity of the current that comes to the electrodes. Third is the power drive circuit. It consists of a power amplifier which provides necessary voltage to drive the transformer. Okay, then we have a transformer, that is 12-0-12 transformer, and a supply of 3 volts. Now I'll tell you what are the components used in this project. First is the timer IC 7555. The pin diagram is as shown. We just now showed you the pin diagram of the 7555 timer. It is the same as the 555 timer, but you can look for the differences on Google. Second comes the transistors. We have used BC327 transistors, which are MOSFET transistors. We have used 2 of them in the circuit, and the 2 of them have different applications. I'll tell you in just a moment. The third one is the variable resistor or the potentiometer, which is 5k ohm resistor. Next comes the semiconductor diode, which is 1N0. I was just telling that we are using variable resistor, which is a 5k ohm pot. And next we are using a semiconductor diode 1N4007. You can check the specification data sheets. Next comes the LED and a transformer 12012 500 milliampere transformer. Electrodes. Now we will show you the circuit diagram, the circuit that we have actually made. Okay friends, so now you are going to see the circuit that we have prepared. As you can see how the circuit is connected. What are you seeing in the circuit? The connections are very neat. You have to be careful about the connections. Cut the wires properly so that there is no distortion or noise. You can see the perfection in the circuit. It is done by Pawan. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you further about how to go about building this project. These electrodes are connected on the part of the muscle that you want to stimulate. I have connected it on my forearm. Connect both the electrodes side by side on the muscle that you want to stimulate. Now we need to adjust the pot so that it controls the intensity. As we move the pot, the brightness of the LED is fluctuating. I can feel it. I can feel the I can feel it. Now there's a tinging sensation in my hand. It means that our circuit is working. Bingo. You can see. You can see the way. You can see the way. Guys, you can see the LED is fluctuating. The brightness of the LED is changing. It shows that the pulse that is coming through the electrodes. You can see my hand is moving a little bit. That means that my muscle is stimulating. Okay, so now we will give you a demo about how to connect the electrodes on your body. So first, you have to connect the electrode on the muscle that you want to stimulate. Connect one electrode on the left side of the muscle and the second electrode on the right side of the muscle. Now you can vary the resistance through the pot. You can vary the resistance through the pot so that it controls the intensity of the pulse coming that stimulates your muscle. You can see that you can feel a sensation on your muscle stimulating, and you can also see the LED's brightness changing. Thus, we have made the muscle stimulator. For more details, you can check our channel, and there is a link present there. Please, first of all, like our video and subscribe to our channel. Please increase the number of likes, and yes, if you want the project report, you can mail us or you can comment below. We'll send you a project report which describes everything, anything and everything about the circuit. Okay friends, bye-bye. So friends, now a little bit of, we would like to tell you a bit of advice.
Yes.
Okay, you should make the circuit properly. The connections should be very tight. And yes, make sure that you don't get scared that the electrode will give you a shock. The current is so low that you will not get any shock. And yes, make sure that you read the literature of each and every component before going about the project. You should know about each and every component.
Okay, bye.
Lastly, I want to give a message to all of the engineers. I know you all are budding engineers. You will not get the circuit properly on just one turn, but just try and try hard. You'll just get it. All the best.